हेलो। हेलो।
गुड मॉर्निंग।
भाई एम ऑडिबल? हेलो।
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
सो नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस। हम यहाँ से बता रहे हैं आपको, फिर एक एक्सपेरिमेंट दिखा देंगे। वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस द एक्सपेरिमेंट न्यूटन्स रिंग। ओके। सो objective of the experiment is that to find the radius of curvature. Okay, to find the radius of curvature of a plano-convex lens using Newton's ring method. So we have already discussed about the Newton's ring phenomena. You know, Newton's ring पढ़ा है आपने ना?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so same theory we will apply here, and whatever the instruments required for this experiment is the we will use a sodium lamp as a source. Okay, Newton's ring arrangement equipped with a traveling microscope, and you know that in the Newton's ring experiment we are dividing the amplitude of the incident wave by placing a plain glass plate at 45 degree. पढ़ा है ना आपने ये सब चीजें?
Yes, sir.
So I will show you the experimental setup here. कैसे वीडियो इससे आता है? Yeah, this is visible to all of you. This experimental setup. ये आपको दिख रहा है?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, so you just see a plano-convex lens is placed on the glass plate. Okay, whatever the lamp we are using, that is the sodium lamp. The standard wavelength is 5893 angstrom, and here you are seeing a plain glass plate is inclined at an angle 45 degree. So ray will be incident on this glass plate. They will reflected towards the plano-convex lens, and from there they will be reflected towards the traveling microscope, where we will see the dark and white circular fringes. Okay, so whatever the fringe we will observe in this experiment will be like this one. So our first task is to find the diameter of this ring. Okay, so you are just seeing here, there are two dotted lines. One is the vertical and second is the horizontal. Okay, so this is the cross wire which is inbuilt in the traveling microscope. So what we will do, just like I will show how we will calculate the diameter. इसकी थ्योरी आप पढ़ लीजिएगा। ओके, इसको मैं ऑलरेडी आप लोगों को पढ़ा चुका हूँ। So what we will do, just like see that we can measure the diameter by using either vertical line or the horizontal line. Okay, so suppose that if we what we will do, here I will first show the table. You just see, this is the table what we are going, what we are going to measure. Just see, first we will note down the least count of the traveling microscope. This will be in millimeter, and here we will do first, just like suppose that here I am drawing a Newton's ring fringe. Suppose that this one. Okay, and suppose that cross wire is initially this is at the center of this ring. So first time we will put this cross wire at the left hand side of this ring. Okay, we will note down the reading using the traveling microscope. Second time we will put the cross wire at the right edge of this ring. Again we will note down the reading using the traveling microscope. So suppose that this is the Rn. Okay, and suppose this is also Rn. This is the radius. दोनों साइड आपका है, length will be almost equal. If the length is, if the distance is varying too much, it means suppose that your measurement is wrong. So total diameter will be equal to twice Rn. Okay, suppose that we are considering this in anything. So our first task is to find the radius in the left hand side and the radius on the right hand side, and then we will rate this consecutive radius to find out the diameter of that particular ring. So here you just see this is mentioned left hand side, here it is mentioned right hand side. So we what we will do, just like suppose that if we are going towards the left hand side here, so what will be happen in every experiment, in every measurement, whatever the instrument you are using, there are two types of scale. One is first is called the main scale and second is called the circular scale. One is the main scale and which one is the circular scale. Okay, so what we will do, circular scale, just like suppose that you have used the screw gauge. Screw gauge आपने यूज किया है, दशमापी यूज किया है आपने?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
तो जब आप स्क्रू गेज को यूज किए होंगे तो किसी भी वायर का रेडियस कैलकुलेट करते समय आपको दो स्केल मिला होगा. वन इज
Yes,
द मेन स्केल एंड सेकंड इज कॉल्ड द सर्कुलर स्केल. मेन स्केल इज इन द मिलीमीटर and circular scale will be in the division. So to find the circular scale reading, what we will do, we will multiply that number of divisions with the least count of the circular scale. Suppose that if 10 divisions are matching and circular scale has the least count of 0.01, so our reading is 0.01 multiplied by 10. So total reading will be the main scale reading plus circular scale reading. So you just see in the table what we will do. First we will measure 24th, we will consider 24th ring. We will take the left hand side reading from the center and right hand side of the reading of the center. So there will be main scale, circular scale. We will multiply circular scale division with the least count and then we will add with the main scale, then we will find the total A. Means the radius of 24th ring in the left hand side. Similarly, we will adjust the cross wire on the right edge of the 24th ring and we will repeat the same measurement. So we will find the total B, means radius of 24th ring towards the right hand side. Now total diameter will be equal to A plus B by left hand side and right hand side को add कर देंगे. So total diameter. Second thing, we will make dn square. Whatever the dn we are measuring, we will take the square of this one. So suppose that this is, we will repeat for 24, 21, 18, 15, 12, 9 like this one. Okay. So here we will get, I am writing here, just see, d square 24 यानी 24th रिंग्स के डायमीटर का स्क्वायर, d स्क्वायर 21 डायमीटर स्क्वायर ऑफ 21st रिंग, d स्क्वायर अपॉन 18, d स्क्वायर अपॉन 15, d स्क्वायर अपॉन 12, d स्क्वायर अपॉन 9, d स्क्वायर अपॉन 6 and d स्क्वायर अपॉन 3. Now our formula is, whatever the formula we are using, you just see. To find the radius of curvature will be given by d square n plus p minus d square n upon 4p lambda. P is the number of division and this is up to our choice what we are considering, how much difference we are considering. So suppose that if we are considering 12, okay, here this is mentioned. Suppose that we are taking p is equal to 12. So what we will do, d square 24 minus d square 12. We will take one reading. Number of difference of fringes is 12. So this is d square 24 minus d square 12 plus 12. Okay. Again d square 21, d square 9. We will take the second reading. Similarly, d square 18, d square 6, we will take the third reading. Again, d square 15, d square 3. Okay. So we will get these 4 readings. What we will do, we will take the average of all these 4 readings. This is d square n plus p minus d square n divided by 4. This will give the average value. This average value we will put in the formula. Okay, lambda is given, lambda is equal to 5, 8, 9, 3 angstrom. Okay, and all these things are given. So from here we will calculate the d square n plus p minus d square n upon 4 p lambda. Okay, p is equal to 12. You have already considered. Lambda is given. So you can calculate we can find the value of radius of curvature of the plano-convex lens. Okay, so we will only difficulty to measure the reading. How we are getting, just like whatever the fringes you will get, that will be look like this one. So whatever the measurement you will make, that will be very accurate. And to check the reading, this is the process. Suppose that if you are going from higher rings to lower rings. Okay, suppose that if you are going from 24th to 3rd, so diameters of all the rings will be in the decreasing order. If suppose that if there is in variation, just like suppose that if d square 24 is 3 point something and d square 18 is 4 point something, it means your measurement is wrong. There will be decreasing order. So if you are going 3 to 24, it means it will be in the decreasing order. That is the way to check the reading, your reading is correct or not. Okay? Clear? Now we are going to show you 1 minute. Now I will try to show इसका कैमरा पकड़ो, देखो दिख रहा है, इसको रिजेक्ट करें।
आ रही सर? नहीं आएगी सर इससे, क्यों? ये नहीं, इतनी डेप्थ में नहीं ले पाएगा। आ रही है? या नहीं?
कुछ रिंग्स दिख रही है आपको? मेरा वाला कैमरा नहीं। कुछ रिंग्स आपको दिख रही है क्लियर?
थोड़ा थोड़ा दिख
सर
अभी दिखा
थोड़ा थोड़ा
सर, क्लियर नहीं बट डिफरेंट।
आई विल शो यू। ये देखिए,
यस सर, दिखा।
यस सर।
ठीक है, तो ऐसे आपको रिंग मिलेगी, समझे? अब इससे ज्यादा नहीं दिखा सकता। हेलो,
यस सर।
यस सर।
दिक्कत है यहाँ से, इससे ज्यादा नहीं दिखा सकता आपको। ओके, तो ओनली वे तो जब आप यहाँ आएंगे आके देख सकते हैं, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है। सो ओनली वे टू वट एवर द रिंग्स यू हैव सीन, you will just very accurately you set the cross wire once on the left hand side of the, just like suppose you are calculating the diameter of 24th ring. So what you will do, you will just insert the cross wire. Here you just see, this is the scale. I will show, this is
सर इससे करेंगे ना, ये है वो सर्कुलर इसके।
You just see, this is the vernier scale. Sorry, this is main scale. दिख नहीं रहा है।
Focus is not clear.
Here, ये आपको दिख रही है स्केल?
No sir,
ये देखिए,
not visible clearly.
उगलिया इसलिए नहीं है कि बैक साइड से रिफ्लेक्ट कर रहा है। और ये आपका सर्कुलर स्केल है। दिस इज योर सर्कुलर स्केल। सो यू विल टेक द मेन स्केल रीडिंग फ्रॉम हियर, ओके, फ्रॉम दिस वन, एंड सर्कुलर स्केल रीडिंग फ्रॉम दिस वन. So what we will do, suppose that explaining, suppose that you are taking the reading of 24/3. So very fine measurement will be required in the Newton's ring experiment. How? First you adjust a cross wire at the left hand side on the 24th ring, measure the reading using the main scale and circular scale. Again you just go to the right hand side, adjust the reading, adjust the cross wire at the right hand side edge, again measure the reading and add. So you will get the diameter of 24th ring. A process is that you just start from the left. First you will take the reading on the left hand side, whatever you required, 24th, 18th, 15th, 12th, 9, 6, third. Again you will go towards the right hand side. पहले आप left hand side की measurement कर लीजिए, then you will go towards the right hand side. So you start from the third, fifth, 9th and 12th, 15th, 18th and 24th. So you will get the reading and you will see whatever the reading you are getting, that will be in the decreasing order starting from the 24th to the 3rd. So you will calculate take the diameter square, then you will take d square n plus p minus d square n, means you are taking the difference of 12th ring. So d square 24 minus d square 12, there is a difference of 12th ring. D square 21 minus d square 9. So you will take like this one, four readings, and you will take the average. You will put in the formula whatever given, and you will calculate the radius of curvature. Second way, you will plot. Second way, you will apply the graphical method to find the radius of curvature. So how we will get the that's one, you just see. पीछे ये ओके. सो सेकेंड वे आपको क्या करना है, यू विल अप्लाई द ग्राफिकल मेथड. ग्राफिकल मेथड में आपको क्या करना है, इसमें यू विल प्लॉट ए ग्राफ बिटवीन डी स्क्वायर एन, ओके, एंड 4 p lambda. This is not r, this is lambda. So when you will draw a graph d square n and 4 p lambda, you will get the straight line, and from here you can get the value of p. Sorry, slope. Okay, and then you can calculate. I will send you the data reading of this one, and then you have, if you have any doubt, you can ask. Okay. Okay. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, we will send you the data reading of this Newton's ring experiment, and you will do the calculation and you will submit. Write down whatever you required. You just see what questions are given below behind the. I have already sent you the whatever manual. So when we will go to the manual, you will see there are some questions behind each experiment. So you will put the reading in the given table, calculate, find the radius of curvature theoretically as well as from the graphically, and write down all the questions whatever given behind the manual, and then you will should submit in the assignment box of the experiment. Okay. Any doubt?
हेलो
Okay, thank you. Send me the attendance.
थैंक यू सर.
Thank you, sir.
सर.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.
थैंक यू
Thank you,
सर.
sir. Thank you,
Thank you,
sir.
sir.
Okay, thank you. अरे मेरा मोबाइल